Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a fun eyeshadow look. So if you're new, welcome. If you're not, thanks for coming back. I'm gonna use the Summer in Tropez. This is a BH Cosmetics. And here are the pretty colors. I have used this before, so we are doing a fun, like tropical summer, you know, Saint-Tropez. All right. So let's get into it. This is a Laura Lee pressed shadow in Meow. I'm gonna use that as my base. That's pretty fun. So I'm gonna pop on some lashes and make it even funner. Lashes, wow. These are Maria. They are super affordable and look how pretty they are. This is Maria, and I also have Jeff, which I have bought to give away a while back, but they went on easy breezy. So what do you think about this Summer in Saint-Tropez look? I'm loving it. Cute little gloss, and that's it. I think it's really fun. All right, let me know in the comments, guys, and stay tuned for more. And as always, stay safe.